2018, we are back bigger, better, and more bold than ever. We're going to be cooking on the beach, creating delicious food. All our recipes are on the website. We're going to do how-tos.
How epic is that?
Oh my God, that smells so good. We really want to build a community, so make sure you leave comments, jump on the website, download the recipes, get cooking, share it on Instagram, so that we can share the love.
That was beautiful, mate.
That's beautiful too.
Oh yeah, how good is that?
Make sure you subscribe, make sure you check out Bondi Harvest, and we'll see you next video with more awesome food. Yoo!